How to fix Instagram Reels not playing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So you can launch a control center, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option of airplane mode. This will refresh your network. Now I can launch Instagram and try to play Reels. Next thing you want to do is check server status. For that, navigate to this one website. Search for Instagram. Now here you're gonna find the server status of Instagram. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, update Instagram app. For that, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these solutions, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, what you need to do is launch Instagram. Navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right, scroll all the way down, click on the option Help. Then click on the option Report a Problem. Click on the option Report Problem Without Shaking. Now click on Don't Include and Continue. And here briefly explain about the issue that Instagram Reels are not playing and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So these are some fixes for Instagram Reels not playing. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.